Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make crème brûlée. First, gather your ingredients: 5 large egg yolks, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You will also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Ensuring all ingredients are at room temperature is crucial for a smooth, well-combined custard. This initial step is key to achieving that perfect, creamy texture. Now, let's craft the custard. Gently warm 2 cups of heavy cream with 1/4 cup of the granulated sugar in a saucepan until it just simmers. In a separate bowl, whisk your 5 egg yolks with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar and the vanilla extract until the mixture is light and creamy. Then, slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper it and prevent the eggs from scrambling. This creates a silky smooth base. Next, we move to baking and setting. Carefully pour your prepared custard into 4 to 6 individual ramekins, filling each about 3/4 full. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then add hot water to the dish, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Finally, chill them for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. The final, most satisfying step is perfecting the top. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the chilled custard. Now, grab your kitchen torch and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, crisp, amber crust. Be careful not to burn it. Let the caramelized sugar cool and harden for just a few minutes. This creates that iconic crack when you tap it with a spoon, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.